everyone, I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I to do the Pubg version 1.5 update graphics test in the iQOO 3 device. Yes friends, right now I do have the iQOO 3 smartphone. Let's see whether the phone will be able to play the 90 FPS update or not in this kind of latest version. I'm just joking friends, I do know phone doesn't have any high refresh rate. I'm just kidding. So I just want to see whether the phone will be supported with the 40 vibrations and haptic feedback, voice changes and press sensitive buttons. All this will be working properly or not is what I'm going to explore in this video, not testing the 90 FPS. So I'm just kidding. So let's see what are the options will be available for this kind of game. So this is the latest version which I just installed without using any GFX tool. As you can see, let me do a quick login and then we can actually discuss all these things. So we do have the esports modes, perfect. Voice change is also there, eagle eye is there, and presence to buttons is there, and 40 vibrations is also out there, as you can see. So you're getting pretty much equally like whatever options I found before in the Pubg version 1.4. Same thing is available for the Pubg version 1.5 as well in the iQOO 3 device. So only thing is that a lot of users whoever bought this phone, they will be definitely saying that one thing: if the phone has got high refresh rate, then this phone could have been really a big hit. That's exactly true friends. I would definitely believe that if the phone has got slightly high refresh rate, that would be kind of slightly more interesting. A lot of people would definitely buy this phone. But right now let's see what are the settings we can actually get in this device. That is what I'm going to discuss. So after this video, I'll try to do the speed test comparison. So iQOO 3 versus the OnePlus 8T, which is the Snapdragon 865 and Snapdragon 865. So you will be able to get to know which phone has got what type of performance level. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So right now the game is starting. Let me try to quickly start the match and show you exactly the settings. So at least if the phone has got 90 Hz, the phone should be having that kind of update, but still the phone is 60 Hz only the display. That's kind of really sad part. So we do have the smooth and extreme and everything. That's fantastic. Everything is same, pretty normal. There's nothing much advanced settings, anything. So everything is pretty normal friends from the basic steps. What we have seen before, everything is enabled even in this Pubg version 1.5 in the iQOO 3. Just because few of the users, they are really interested to know, that is the reason I thought of making a video on this phone particularly. So in case if you're interested, I'll try to do the real-time FPS meter third-party test on this iQOO 3 as well in case. So only for the people who are interested, I can definitely do that video as soon as possible. So I just want to see 40 weapons, how they are working. That is the main reason I thought of just testing during the gameplay. Yes. So I did set the trigger buttons as well, which are the press sensitive buttons. That's perfect. I just want to see whether they are working actually perfect or not. Only those two things. So press sensitive buttons and the haptic feedback vibrations, is it kind of okay or not? That is what I'm going to check right now. That's it. So apart from that, I won't do much in-depth gaming. So I just want to keep this video really very small and short. So let me do jump. Yep. And like I found, not having the dual speakers is also another kind of disadvantage, little bit I would say. So in case if you're interested, I can definitely do this kind of drop test.
I need a weapon.
So alright friends, there is no problem with the haptic feedback and anything. It's working perfectly 100% fine. Working really great, the haptic feedback and everything. As you can see, the press sensitive buttons also working 100% fine without any kind of issues. There's no problem in terms of the press sensitive buttons. And let me try to do the firing test. As you can see, even the firing test is also working 100% perfect. No issues in terms of the haptics as well. But only one thing is that the haptic feedback is slightly stronger on this side. It's not kind of equal, I would say. It's kind of really strong to this side than this side. That's the one That's the one thing which I did notice. So I can definitely feel the haptic feedback. So overall friends, this is a small quick thoughts about this game. So PUBG 1.5 does support everything whatever the 1.4 previously supported. This is a small thought which I thought of just explaining you. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, make sure to comment below what are other videos you want me to do on the iQOO 3 device as well. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.